All right, we are back for day number 4, and I've decided for just like future videos to just go in whatever order I want. So, this program that I'm going to show you today is something that I've written pretty recently. I think it was in January whenever I finished it. So, essentially, this program is a way for your computer to open up any link that you want at a given time without you being near your computer. So, essentially, the whole reason as to why I made this is because my professor checks attendance on Zoom calls, and they will essentially just check whether that user joined the call before class started. And so with this program, it'll essentially join the um, the website, the Zoom call for you, with you still being asleep or you doing whatever you have to do completely away from your computer on its own. And I'll just go ahead and show you an example. And I'll show you an example with like a different website aside from like a Zoom link, just so you can see that it works with complete like any website. And it's pretty easy to install. I made the documentation pretty easy. And so we'll just go and walk through method number 1. So step number 1, one-click download. So we would click download or click here. We would save it and then right-click on the file Wake Up Zoom and choose Run as Administrator. Okay. So show in folder, and we'll go ahead and minimize this. And then right-click and Run as Administrator. And then it'll warn us that it thinks that it's a virus, but it's not. And we would just say yes, and it's going to go ahead and create all the stuff that it needs to, and just like that, it's set up. And so it'll show up the main menu. It's called Wake Up Zoom. I forgot to mention that, but it'll show you the main menu. You can view or remove scheduled calls. You can schedule a new Zoom call, which is what we're going to do. So we would type in the number 2. And it'll essentially walk you through like the formatting of just what you would do if you wanted to use it for like a Zoom call. But say for example, I wanted to use it for like just like a one-time Twitter thing, right? So course name, let's just call it Twitter, and then the website we want to visit, and then the time, we'll make it 2:53. Hopefully I'm able to type it in before that time. And frequency, we'll make it one time only. And just like that, it created the scheduled like thing, and we'll just wait here until it is 2:53 a.m. to see whether it will automatically join for us. Hopefully it should not be too long. And yeah, just like that, it joined Twitter for you. So yeah, it works with any website. It works with essentially just any program that you have a URL to. So yeah, pretty easy program. You can also delete your stuff. So let's press the number 1 to view or remove stuff. And I can also see like in-depth details about just like when the last time the program was like ran, the name of the actual thing, but let's go ahead and just remove it from our computer permanently. So we would type in the number 1, and then it says please enter the task name, which is the middle column you wish to delete. And so there are 3 columns, and so we would type this in. So Twitter, and just like that, it deleted everything off your computer. So yeah, that essentially does it for today's video. I will be back tomorrow with hopefully another video. So see you guys later.